Hi everybody, it's Deana, and today I'm making fish sauce fried chicken wings. My family loves chicken wings, and my husband in particular loves the fish sauce chicken wings. Every time we're at a restaurant or a Vietnamese restaurant, he orders them. If you've never had the Vietnamese fish sauce fried chicken wings, you're in for a treat. It is savory, sweet, tangy, all in one bite. To make this dish, you'll need to have your fish sauce dipping sauce ready to go. If you need the recipe, it's on my website at www.deanathai.com. It's that time, let's get cooking. First, you'll need about 20 wings, which will give you about 2 pounds of chicken, rinsed, dried, and strained. You'll want to first season your chicken so that the meat is tasty. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix them all up real good and set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. This will help make a tasty chicken from the inside. In the meantime, let's prepare our dry batter. In a separate bowl or plate, add half a cup of potato starch, half a cup of all-purpose flour. Now it's time to add some flavoring to our dry batter, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it up real well with a whisk or a fork. This is a really easy batter to use because you're only doing a dry method. Just be sure to squeeze really tightly on the chicken wings so that the batter adheres strongly, tightly onto the chicken skin and meat. The coating sticks really well to the chicken. To get the chicken wings ready for frying, I'm going to first show you how to air fry it. What we're going to do is actually dab the oil on top of the chicken wings. Don't be worried, I know it looks like the batter is disappearing. It really isn't, it's still there. It is now transparent, and once you begin to fry it, it will show up again. So trust the process, keep going. Don't drag your paintbrush because you will move the batter away. Just dab, so that the batter is absorbing the oil. That way it can crisp up in the air fryer. Only oil the pieces you're about to air fry first. I can fit about 8 to 10 pieces in the air fryer sheet, so I'm going to just get that filled up real quick. My first set is ready to go into the air fryer. My air fryer has been preheating at 375. We will air fry them for 10 minutes on one side, flip them over, and air fry them for another 10 minutes to finish off. Here's a progression of what it looks like step by step in the air fryer. 6 minutes into cooking the first side, now we can see our flour return. I flipped them over and now there's 9 more minutes left of the cooking time. Alright, last few seconds and then we can take these guys out. This is what they look like after they come out of the air fryer before we sauce them up. Let's make our glaze for the chicken wings. In a large frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add a half a cup of rice syrup to thicken the glaze. Into the pan, we will be adding 6 to 7 tablespoons of our prepared fish sauce dipping sauce, which is also known as nước chấm. Now, if you didn't want a sticky glaze on your chicken wings, you can just use the fish sauce dipping sauce directly and drizzle that over your fried chicken. Let the sauce get caramelized. Once the bubbles become slower and more light in color, it is ready for the chicken wings to go in and get all sauced up. Our sauce has thickened and it's bubbling really nice and smooth and slow. Time to add our chicken in and coat it real well. Toss it around on medium heat until the sauce has reduced so much that you don't really see it anymore. This will create a nice crunchy outside crust for us. It's plating time, my favorite part of the cooking process because we're that much closer to eating the food. We're almost ready to enjoy this dish, but before we do that, let's garnish. I like to make it look beautiful for our presentation and make it look even tastier. Ta-da! It's time to eat! I hope you enjoy cooking with me today and continue to practice to become the master chefs in your own home. If you enjoy my video, click like on the bottom and subscribe to my channel for alerts on new videos. You can find written recipe on my website above. Follow my Instagram for updates on new dishes. Until next time, my friends, goodbye.